Hey, you two, welcome back and happy Friday. Anyway, I'm gonna do the unbox. This is the EPTM. This is the track pants. So let's go ahead and then get it started. This is my invoice. Here's the description for the pants. This one with the black Rasta track pants. This is size 30. Original price was around like $55, and then it was on sale for $45. And then there's a happy 2018. Take additional 30% off on each one. And the other one is a blue with the white stripes track pants. So as you can see, so $90 minus $27 out of 30% become $63. There's no shipping fee, no tax, so we just paying $63. So I thought that was a good deal. Let's go ahead and check them out. Let's go ahead and then check out the blue one with the white stripe first. So this is a pretty nice track pants. Okay, and then you got this zipper on around your ankle area. Okay, zipper is pretty smooth as well. So you got your EPTM label right there. Okay, your white stripes. Your left pocket, which is pretty deep. Some of the pockets might have shadow right here. So this one's pretty deep pocket. And it says made in USA, size S. And then you got your tag. So it's 95% polyester and 5% of what's that? Spandex. And you got your long drawstring right here, okay? This is pretty long. I guess that's the most popular style right now. So let's go ahead and then move on to the black one with the colorful stripes. These stripes remind me of Jamaican. So basically it's the same style. What's that? A zipper around the ankle area. I'm not sure what is this. I'm gonna check it out later. So same thing, left and right pocket, pretty deep. Got your EPTM again. Then this is the right rear pocket. So you got this green, yellow, and what's that, red stripes along your leg or side of your leg area, your hip. Overall, this quality is pretty nice. And you got your off-white drawstring again, okay? This is not white, it's off-white. It's like a beige color, okay? So anyway, these are the unboxing for this two track pants. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And then turn on that bell for notification. Please share this with your friend, family on social media. I believe the deal is still going on, not too sure, but anyway, go check it out. And please drop any other comments on below. Alright, thank you for watching. Happy Friday. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.